the salvage here, October 28th at Mystic. We'll do an after clean video. We're gonna be, I already got it pretty good, but I'm just gonna do it in the video to do it again. But there really wasn't a whole lot in any of your intakes or through holes or anything. But just anything that's left, and she does need a prop nut sink our next visit. Let's go take a look. Well, right there on the bow, the paint's wearing, and that's the only spot that really had some hard growth of tube-worms on it. It's not going to do much right now, but this next summer season, the growth is steady. It's going to fill up heavy on there quick. Yeah, start with